Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Books and Tales. In today's video, we will learn how to make our life successful through the book Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill. Let's start without any late. The subconscious mind. Positive emotions are key to successful life. We know that our thoughts and our feelings are stored in our subconscious mind, whether it is positive or negative feeling. But subconscious mind stores every information. Our subconscious mind is always influenced by what we do. That sometimes shows up positively, sometimes shows negative. We must always think positively about what we want to achieve. If we are positive, our subconscious will be as positive. Our subconscious helps us to bring out the productive outputs. Other than that, we are always angry and irritated. Our subconscious will keep that feeling and show that influence on everything we do. That is why we should always be positive, speak positively to everyone, appreciate all, and applaud ourselves. Doing so will increase the positive feeling within us and give us more chances to succeed. Imagination. Imagination turns your dreams into reality. Every success story starts with an idea. Every idea comes from imagination. Imagination is just like a workshop in our mind. That means you can understand it as a mechanic's garage. Imagination turns our dreams into ideas. Those ideas become reality. Imagination can be of two types. One is creative and the other is synthetic. Creative imagination comes with new ideas that leads to new inventions. We should keep our mind active for new ideas. Like YouTube channel creators, scientists, designers, painters, and music composers are increasingly using this creative imagination. Example, in 1886, biochemist John Pemberton performed an experiment in the city of Atlanta, taking some secret ingredients, boiling them, and created a new recipe. As it looked tasty, he took it to the pharmacy and added a syrup mixed with carbonated water to the recipe and gave it to a customer. The customer loved it very much that it became so popular and it was named Coca-Cola. Synthetic imagination means looking at the old ideas in new dimensions or using old ideas in new combinations. In simple language, modifying old ideas to new ideas. Like YouTube channel creators, businessmen, industrialists. Example, present generation mobiles have a lot of variation to the mobiles we have in the past. Taking normal mobiles from the past with advanced technology, mobilize and provide customers with the same quality cameras as DSLR camera. Creative and synthetic imagination can work together. For example, Asa Candler, he started the world-renowned Coca-Cola brand from a headache drugstore. The Coca-Cola recipe is not his own, but he bought it for $1750 in 1888. He founded the Coca-Cola company in 1892 and developed it as a major company, making it a big success. Is there anyone who doesn't know Coca-Cola now? When we don't have much imagination, think of new ideas and face the challenges in life. Slowly our imagination will improve. The more we use our imagination, the more powerful our imagination is. How about we go to gym and get our muscles fit by lifting weights? Similarly, we must keep our mind active and train our imagination. Decision making or be determined. Analyzing 20,000 life stories, the main reason they fail in life is lack of perseverance. When it comes to the same analysis of billionaires, there are two things in common. They all made momentary decisions, and once committed, they are committed. Those around Henry Ford have suggested to replace the Model T, which is famous in his cars, with a newer model, but he did not listen. By keeping the car like that, slowly it was a big hit and brought profits to the company. Napoleon Hill said, opinions are cheap. Everyone has opinions. Many has given us. So many opinions, suggestions, but we have our opinion, right? If we follow our plans and ideas, we can achieve success. Persistence. Only the persistent will succeed. When we start a work or project, we have many problems. At this time, many people quit the job because they think that it doesn't happen with them. But some people fulfill their dreams despite all the obstacles, no matter how hard they may be. Guys, it's all about your mindset. Do you know? Desire plus persistence equal to success. Yes, our patience and persistence are part of our success. The mystery of love transmutation. Transmutation is the conversion of one energy into another. There are very few people under 40 in successful people because they can only convert their love desire into productive energy. We cannot control it. Some will do anything to get it. Some are even involved in crime to get what they want. So, meditation is the only way to turn this energy towards your goal. This is Napoleon's opinion. The brain. Graham Bell compares our brain to a radio station. Creative imagination is like a receiver to the brain. Brain. It accepts and receives all the ideas from our parents, friends, relatives, or anyone who has given us ideas or thoughts. The subconscious mind acts as a sending station. It sends us new ideas and thoughts. This subconscious mind controls our behavior, ideas, and feelings. This subconscious mind is told clearly in the book The Secret. I will also give you summary about this book soon. You can learn more about this later. The Sixth Sense. Napoleon Hill said that only those who follow the above principles understand what the sixth sense is. We can improve this only through meditation. Here, sixth sense is to identify the difficulties and obstacles that are coming up and prepare the right plan. Brain trust. Brain trust means if two or more people work together for a goal by combining all of their knowledge, skills, and talent, and the result will be triple that. We can achieve more if we work together than we achieve alone. Finally, what this book tells us is, if we are lucky enough to make money, it is not enough. Napoleon Hill said that whoever follows the above principles can turn their dreams into reality. If we want to be rich, our ideas must also be rich. We should have a strong belief in ourselves. Think rich to be rich. These are enough. Everybody becomes rich. Do you have the above qualities in you? Please let us know in the comment section below simply by typing yes or no. The link to this book is in the description if you want to buy the book that everyone needs. So friends, this is the Think and Grow Rich book summary in Books and Tales version. Friends, I think you liked and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as the small bell next to it. Smash it. Thank you for watching. Again, I'll meet you in another video. Bye.